Hello everyone, welcome to another round of Chitter Chatter. Today we're going to chit chat with Dr. Jas Kohli. Well, he's a cosmetic surgeon in the day and a writer later. This is his third novel, Light's Wedding in Ludhiana. And what irony, I'm in Punjab near Ludhiana and doing this Chitter Chatter with author. Hello Dr. Saju, hello Rituka Rhymes. And author Jas Kohli is right here, so let's send him a request and let's get started with our Chitter Chatter. There's to him, and there's so much that I want to ask him. All the things that you have told me to ask, I have noted it down, and I'm going to ask all of it. Jajoba Jyoti, how are you doing? Well, let me tell you, her outfits are amazing. I love them, and you're going to see me in her outfit super soon. Sonu, Indian, hi, how are you doing? And I have just sent Dr. Jas Kohli an invite, and we're just waiting for him to join in. And everyone out here, let me tell you all, what is the book that you all are reading? This is my fourth book, and I'm going to put a review about it super soon. It is one hell break that lets loose while there is a wedding happening. And there is so much action happening that you're going to just be laughing your guts out. And you're going to really enjoy it. So if you haven't bought your copies, this is what you have to do. You have to go online after our chitter chatter and buy your copies and tell me how you liked it. You can DM Doctor as well as you can. Okay. I just got a notification saying author is unable to join. So I'm going to send him another request again and I hope he can join in. Doctor, please let me know. Are you getting my request? Because here is showing that you've got my request. Mohit Chablani, hello. Nice look of the book. Yes, Raman Makhija, I too agree. The cover is really nice and the story is also extremely nice. Do let me know once you... Aslan Khan, am I Indian? Yes, I am an Indian and proud to be an Indian. Duta.Jayant Kumar, let us know the book name. Well, the book name is Light's Wedding Ludhiana. I hope Insta does something where, when I show you the book, it does not show a mirror image, but it actually shows you what it is. And yes, it's Light's Wedding Ludhiana by Rupa Publications. And the literary agent is Suhail Mathur, the book bakers. And you can buy this copy on Amazon and other places too. And do let us know how you've liked it. And Doctor, have you got my request? If you can just let me know in the comments so that I know what's happening. I have again got a notification saying author is unable to join. I don't know why is this happening today. I'm really looking forward for this chitter chat and I have so much questions to ask him. Doctor, can you send me a hi or send me what's happening while I'm sending a request on our chat so that I know exactly what's going on? I'm sending him an invite again. I hope this time he can join in, otherwise I'll have to exit out and come back again. Baljita, hi, how are you doing? Thank you everyone for the love and comments that you all keep sending on the chitter chatter. It's really fun to come back live and keep chatting while you all are apart, and the biggest motivator for these chitter chatters going on. We've had more than 200 chitter chatters and it's so much fun just because you all have always been there supporting and welcoming all the guests that come here to chit chat with all of you. And what do you think? Will author be able to join right now? Let me see. Also, let me try some other thing. Okay. Can you try to send me a request? Because so author Jas Kohli has just said that he's not got a request. Well, I have. Can you try to send me a request? Because I don't know why is this happening. Doctor, can you see like there's this camera emoticon next to comments? Can you go there and try to send me a request? Maybe that works because I'm trying to send you a request and like you said, you're not getting the request and then we're not able to join in. So maybe you can try that. If not, then I'll just go out and come back live. And okay, he sent me a request and I'm accepting the request. I hope this time it gets connected. Otherwise, we'll have to try something else. So let's keep our fingers crossed and you keep on sending the hearts and questions that are continuing. I'm Deepak Singh Rajput. Good evening to you. Hello, Madhu Sharma. How are you doing? Well, Madhu has been traveling everywhere, and you're gonna see a lot of travel blogs by her. So do follow her if you enjoy travel. Ishika Kapoor, Kamshal Negi, Cinema Codes, Hafiz Mohammed, and I have just accepted. Author has sent me a request. I have accepted, but he's unable to join in. What is the problem now? Here, there is some issue, but we aren't able to figure out what it is. And there we
Hello.
have. Welcome to Chitter Chatter, Dr. Jaskoli.
I couldn't join through the laptop, so I joined through the mobile.
Oh, yeah, Instagram Live is not supported still on the laptop. It happens only from the
Oh,
phone.
okay. So that's why the glitch occurred. Anyway,
Yeah, but
so
till Insta glitches don't happen, there's no fun in Chitter Chatter. So we have crossed the glitch part and now we can start a Chitter Chatter.
sure.
So, firstly, congratulations on your third novel, Lights Wedding Ludhiana. And I was telling our viewers that how this novel is filled with loads of action and there's not a single dull moment. But if you could tell us a little about your novel to the viewers out here.
So, friends, I'm basically a cosmetic surgeon. So, my previous two novels were humor fiction, but based on a medical theme. So, this is the third novel, and so I decided that now I'll switch over from the medical side and write about something which would appeal to everybody. And since I live in Ludhiana, so I always write about something about which I can observe very closely, and the characters as well as the situations. So it gives me more insight into them, and so I thought Ludhiana has a lot of peculiarities. It is a very famous city. It is not as big as a metro, but it has its own characteristics. So I thought, why not satirize my own city and its inhabitants?
Well, we have your viewers telling that you're the best author Ludhiana could have, and I will agree to that, staying here and reading this book. So, a lot of authors, a lot of viewers here are sending you lots of love. Priya Siddharth Sethi is sending a hi. Gaurav VK, no, Gaurav K. Mangar is saying he's the best author Ludhiana can ever have. And Sansi is saying, yes, I totally agree to it. And yes, there's a lot of love coming your way towards your book, the third novel, Lights Wedding Ludhiana. And like you
Thank you,
said, we
friends. Love
are
you all.
going to...
Yeah, love to
Yes, please continue.
everyone. Yeah. Okay, that's. I just wanted to thank and I reciprocate your love, friends.
So, when did you decide that your third novel should not be connected with a medical background and just completely different? Though it has Ludhiana where you stay, but it is completely like coming from a different point of view and not having your medical background or the doctory thing. How did you decide on that theme?
To tell you frankly, once I wrote my first two novels, all my experiences which I've had, I have already put it to them, so that I had nothing, more to write. So to keep up the interest level and the level of writing, I had to switch to something else. That was the
Well,
reason.
it was a good switch. There's no doubt about that. The switch was lovely and it is hilarious. And it is again a book that I think everyone is going to enjoy. It is a completely light read. So, when I was reading, I realized it's a book that you can read, on your way if you have a flight. It's a quick read, it's a light read. So, was that a conscious effort taken by you that, you wanted to keep it as per the millennial age, something simple and light?
Actually, I think that is basically my style. So every writer has a sort of a signature writing style. I think it automatically it develops over time. Since I'm a humor writer, so what happens is if you go too deep into the emotional aspect, you tend to lose the humor side. So I wanted it to be a book like that of P.G. Woodhouse, that every line or at least at every paragraph should be funny. So to attain that, you have to be, keep it a bit simple language as well as like you, for example, if it is a setting, you can't keep on describing that the sofa was of this color and there was so much of lighting. That breaks up the tempo of the humor side. So that's the reason I kept it simple.
What is the biggest challenge to write humor?
Uh, writing humor is a very serious business, and in fact, it takes much more time than the other genres of writing to write humor. Sometimes it takes up to an hour to just write one punchline. So when you read humor or you listen to a stand-up comedian, a lot of effort has gone into whatever laugh or smile they have created. Take it from me.
Wow, that's a note that I think everyone should know that, we see a book that would be read in 2 hours, or we see a stand up which is done in 10 minutes, but there's a lot of seriousness and a lot of hard work and challenge that goes into it, which is done before we enjoy the fun part. So, Doctor, you are a doctor in the day, and in your other time, you give into writing. So, how do you manage the discipline between the two careers?
Actually, I am in the field of cosmetic surgery and cosmetology. And every Bollywood actress knows very well. I need not elaborate on that. And so I don't have any emergencies. First of all, I don't have any many admitted cases. So once I am off from the clinic, I am off. So then my mind I can apply fully, focused on the writing. So I'm lucky to be in a specialty of medicine wherein I can have some free time after the clinic hours. Like I don't have to make rounds or do attend to emergencies, stuff like that.
This is a third book, but at what point did you decide that, you felt or you considered yourself as a writer and you decided that you wanted to write books?
So frankly, it was a very late decision. I started writing in my mid 40s. So that would give away my age. So now, I've been writing for 10 years now. So because being in a medical profession, I've been an avid reader since I was a child. I've been reading all type of stuff, and in fact, I can't eat my lunch or dinner without something, without reading something. But the our profession demands, absolute attention. When you're dealing with lives, you can't, have too many hobbies. So, but once I got settled from my education, doing 1 degree, 2 degree, third degree, and then decided that since I love reading so much, I should also write. And I had accumulated a lot of experiences. And in fact, recently I met a young author, a young humor writer. He told me that you are so lucky that we have to think about situations, and you have already seen so many situations which you can simply modify and fit somewhere into your novels.
So you have used all the experiences that have come in your life, and you've been writing, and though you started late in life, but you've still been like at it, like 3 books back to back, and all of them have done so well. How often do you check your reviews once the book is out?
Yes, reviews are very important for an author, because I think a lot of improvement which has happened in my writing from the first book has been because of reviews. So honest reviews definitely they help you to make a better writer. Of course, like we say, every medicine has its rare side effects. And one or two people will write with a malicious intent, and they will write. You can make out a bad review if somebody is writing adjectives about you and not pointing out the flaws. Then that means that is either malicious, or the person is trying to stand out amongst the reviewers. But more or less, most of the reviewers, they will give you an honest opinion, both the positive as well as negative. The positive reviews, they encourage you, and the negative reviews, if somebody points out a flaw in the book, that helps one to better oneself as a writer.
What was your biggest inspiration for this current book, Lights Wedding Ludhiana?
The biggest inspiration is the city itself. If you take any city in the Ludhiana, Some cities may have more per capita income, but in per capita splurging, there's no one which you have to come attend a wedding, big shot wedding in Ludhiana to see, you know, how people spend on, whatever the clothes, the weddings, the cars, and everything. So this is the peculiarity of this city which I wanted to highlight, and that is the main inspiration.
So what is important is writing is crucial, but even getting it published and then, out there in the market, reaching your viewers. What was your journey like once your draft was ready?
So since this is my third book, I have had some hang of the way to do marketing, and so I already have some loyal readers from the first two books, and then ultimately what I feel is whatever you do, uh, at one stage you have to leave all this, and then the word of mouth will start working. So one should strive to make one's book better and better. And the marketing matters, but more than that is the uh, how much the readers like your book, or they recommend to others. So ultimately, after 6 months, 1 year, you will get fed up of everyone. I think every author leaves the book as such, and then how the book will run will mostly it will be on the word of mouth.
True.
So how good your book is, that matters in the long run.
How's it working with the book bakers?
The book bakers have a big role to play in my career, because in I'll tell you a very interesting story about my first book, that it was rejected by a total of 14 publishers
Oh,
before it was taken up by, because I went by myself, and before it was taken up by 60. I'm very thankful to 60 publishers because they gave me a break. So before it was taken up by 60 publishers, and every rejection felt like a failure. Like you, for example, you fail in a semester, so it was like I had failed in 14 semesters. So you can
that's a
imagine the
lot.
feeling. And but after that, I got hold of Sohail Mathur, and he he saw the value in my writing, and because of him, I could get to Rupa Publishers, which is one of the best in the country. And not only that, the book bakers, they have got a network of authors. They make the authors connect amongst themselves, and that helps you in many ways, and that also enriches you in many ways. Like you learn many things, and you also have many author friends.
So, also, before I get on to the last segment of our chitter chatter, do you have your copy around so that we can take a selfie moment?
Sure, sure, sure. Yeah.
And that's our selfie moment. And thank you. And before I get on to my last segment, like I said, Ashay Abhi is asking, so do you draw inspiration from your patients to sketch your characters overtly or covertly?
Yes, definitely. In fact, I think any writer, if you take any writer's book, there's a limit to imagination. A lot of things, not just me. In fact, most books are a reflection of an author's own character, the beliefs and the observations, the conversations. Definitely, a lot of them go in. So, there's a very interesting episode. While I was writing my second book, there was a very interesting incident which happened with one of my colleagues, who's a doctor, from his life. So I was afraid to put it in the book because he would get to know that this hasn't happened with anybody else. And so I very hesitatingly I asked him, "Can I put this in the book?" He says, "You can put it, and you can put it with my name, original name also." Of course,
Oh,
I did
that's
not,
so
I
sweet.
did, I did not do so in case he has a change of mind later and he sues me. So, but So there are some people who would even allow you to, put anything which happened in their life, a personal thing also in the novel. Of course, we always respect the privacy and put with a pseudonym. So that's it. Like,
So on this note, we go to our last segment of Chitter Chatter. I'm going to ask you a few questions, and the first thing that comes to your mind. So are you ready for this Chitter Chatter round?
sure.
Your favorite author?
My favorite author, of course, is P.J. Woodhouse because I'm a humor writer, and for inspiration,
What are you reading currently?
currently I'm reading The Secret Life of Trees because I'm basically a nature lover and read a lot of non-fiction also apart from fiction.
What is the last read?
Sorry?
What was your last read?
My last read was this there was a book about Tibet across many mountains. So that was a book about because I am in love with Tibetology.
What is your next read?
So next read, I have got a very long list. I don't know. I'll look up my Kindle and then find out.
Okay,
Because
perfect.
there are a lot of author friends. I also have to read their books also.
Who was your inspiration besides Woodhouse when it came to starting to write?
I would say that it was Chetan Bhagat because that was 10 years ago. Because I thought if Chetan Bhagat could, as a non-literary person, he doesn't have a degree in English or he hasn't like a PhD in English. If he could, be popular, so like I could also become an established. So in this respect, like of course in writing I had many other inspirations, but as being a recognized author, I think whatever people say about his writing, he has made a seminal contribution to English writing in India.
Absolutely, I agree. It was him who started, where all the people who had stories had the courage to come out and start writing and get onto the process. Like just like you got 14 rejection, but you were at it to get your book out there.
Yeah.
Your favorite book as a kid?
My favorite book as a kid was the famous Five series from Annette Britton.
Your favorite book as a teenager?
As a teenager, I stopped reading these full-length books. I used to read a lot of magazines, especially travel magazines, and the National Geographic became my favorite read.
Your favorite book as an adult?
My favorite book as adult is the Ikigai.
Do you like reading series or standalone?
I like to read standalone also because that allows me to read more books.
Your favorite drink while you're reading?
My favorite drink while reading is black Darjeeling tea.
Your favorite food binging that you love to binge on while you're reading?
I don't binge on any food because I am a nutritionist.
I thought I must.
This is my additional, field.
Okay. Now this is, I'm going to take the name and the first adjective or word that comes to your mind. Light staple romance.
Fun in the hospital in a serious setting.
Riti Raheja.
Richi Raheja lives life to the fullest.
Kushal.
Misfit in Ludhiana.
Ludhiana itself.
Ludhiana. It is a symbolism of the Punjabi spirit.
Lakshay.
The prankster who
Rupa Publications.
iconic.
The Book Bakers.
The book bakers, they are path breaking.
Suhail Mathur.
Omnipresent.
I agree. And Light Wedding Ludhiana.
Nothing like it.
Dr. Jess Kohli as the cosmetic surgeon.
I alter faces and bodies and like to meet a lot of beautiful women.
Ah, and Dr. Jess Kohli as an author.
Humble.
And lastly, Chitter Chatter with Shweta Roira.
It was, I never had a chit chat like that.
I'm glad. I hope in the good way. But thank you so much for being a part of this Chitter Chatter.
So nice of you. Thank you. It was wonderful. And thanks all readers and listeners.
All the viewers here, if you haven't bought your copy, Lights Wedding Ludhiana, it is that you need to read, and do DM the author. He reads the reviews. Do put in your reviews on Goodreads. You can buy a copy and do let us know. Do tag. Do spread the word. And also do let us know what did you enjoy about the Chitter Chatter. Well, this Chitter Chatter is going to be on IGTV, so you can check the whole thing in case you've missed. And you can also tag your friends. This is also going to be available on YouTube and Spotify. And thank you once again, Doctor, for your lovely time. Do keep the writing going. And we are looking forward to many more books and many more Chitter Chatters with you.
Bye. Thank you so much.